There are many difficulties in waterproofing underground engineering. The base layer is prone to hollowing due to moisture. Nodes are prone to leakage, maintenance costs are high, and structural safety is also affected. Traditional solutions are difficult to provide long-term protection. Faced with the stubborn problem of water leakage in traditional basement waterproofing, we provide you with a pre-laid and anti-sticking system solution for underground engineering. The core of this system is our coiled pre-laid polymer, self-adhesive film waterproofing membrane. The logic of this system is simple. During construction, a dedicated pre-laid anti-adhesive membrane is laid in advance. Subsequently, the concrete will be poured directly, and the membrane will firmly bond with the concrete, forming a skin waterproof structure, completely eliminating the risk of water seepage. The entire system is composed of core coils, supporting materials, and auxiliary components, and its advantages are particularly prominent. After the completion of the waterproof layer construction, there is no need for a protective layer, and steel bars can be directly tied and poured into concrete to save structural layers. Meanwhile, it is suitable for complex construction conditions, such as humid environments. No need to wait for the grass roots to dry, greatly reducing the construction period. Most importantly, this membrane has high elongation and strong puncture resistance, making it easy to adapt to engineering settlement and deformation. Its service life is synchronized with the engineering structure, and its durability is fully extended. Moreover, no solvents or fuels are required during the material construction process, making it safer to carry out construction under complex working conditions. The materials are environmentally friendly and in line with the concept of sustainable development. Choosing this pre-laid anti-adhesive waterproof system can not only achieve long-term waterproofing and ensure the structural safety of underground engineering, but also reduce costs and increase efficiency and reduce subsequent maintenance investment. It truly achieves multi-dimensional protection, making underground engineering waterproofing worry-free and cost-effective. Our coating plus correct construction equals long-term waterproofing. For help, please contact lubanwaterproof@gmail.com. Contact us.